Hello everyone, my name is Jim Smith and I'm the LANDFIRE project lead for the Nature Conservancy. This is one in a series of LANDFIRE shorts, and shorts are videos less than 5 minutes in length that highlight some LANDFIRE product, idea, or method, and I'm here to talk about data. Data is one of those lifetime double-edged swords. We need it, but we curse it. We use it, but we really don't understand it. We long for it, and then we complain about it. And I've spent more than 30 years of my post-scholastic working life in some form of the natural resource data business, from forest sampling to statistical modeling to remote sensing to GIS and databases. And based on that experience, I present the 11 commandments of data. And I suggest that you break them at your peril. So let's go over the commandments. Commandment 1. Thou shalt not wait for perfect data or information, for it does not exist. Commandment 2, thou shalt never confuse data desires with data needs. Commandment 3, thou shalt not blame the data if you use it improperly or in an application that it was never really designed to support. Number 4, thou shalt not use data that you have not personally reviewed for appropriateness. Commandment 5, thou shalt not characterize the usefulness of an entire data set using a single number or a single favorite location. Commandment 6, thou shalt not ignore the context of the application when considering data options. Number 7, thou shalt not believe that free data is actually free in the long term. Number 8, thou shalt not reject data for being inappropriate unless you know what appropriate data would actually be. Number 9, thou shalt not expect to use other people's data without correcting it for your local conditions or your local needs. Commandment 10, thou shalt not expect data to live forever. And finally, number 11, thou shalt not believe that your data is always more complete, more accurate, and more useful than someone else's. Now, these commandments may seem silly or overdone to you, but I can promise you that I've seen every one of those commandments violated in my 34 years in the data business. So I ask you to remember that it is your responsibility to understand the data you are using. It's not the data producer's responsibility. I also ask that you remember that data is a living thing. It has flavor, it has color, it has texture. And like all living things, data has a lifespan. So assume as little as possible and understand as much as possible about the data you're using, and think about data as you plan your work as an integral part of your planning, not after you begin. So the LANDFIRE program would love to hear from you. There are many, many ways to contact us, to provide us information, to feedback. So please let us know what you see. Let us know what you find. Let us know what you need. Thank you for your attention.